Got a nice one. Real nice one, dude. No, he's just standing still now. Fuck, maybe I did miss. He's north of you 80 or 100 yards. He just went down. Let's get out of the stand. Unless you want to wait. He's a fucking monster, dude. Got that shit on camera too. Ain't that great? My brother's about 80 yards from me over here. Let's take a little look here. Yeah, I didn't know if he was gonna go down because he was so close. I'm like, Brandon's just right over there. But yeah, it was a 20-yard pin at 15 yards, dude. If you want to wait for another one, that's fine, but man, he's a fucking giant, dude. Yeah. I watched him go down about 80 yards northwest of me over here. He stood there for a minute and, dude, he was coming on a beeline right at me. He was like 15 fucking yards right here, just right to my left. Yeah. No, you texted me and it went off. He didn't pay no attention. My phone's loud when the text goes off.
Well, I'm saying we were just texting and you looked up and had to pull the trigger.
Yeah, well, I had to get my camera on. I didn't have time to yard him. I see him just, good thing I looked back north.
Camera on?
Yeah, it's still on right now. They're probably hearing us talk about it. That close is priceless, man. Oh, I'm so wound up. I'm glad it happened quick because I didn't have time to get nervous.
Did you shoot him in the frick breast?
Right in the rib cage. I put the 20-yard pin a little low and damn, dude, he was like 12 yards, man. right here.
Was he facing you?
Yeah, for a while, and then I finally just waited. He was walking straight toward you, and I thought, well, I could let him walk, but I ain't going to. Dude.
Oh, so you got like a quartered away shot.
Yeah, oh yeah, I heard it hit him. I thought I heard it hit him and hit the ground.
I heard it go thump and I heard the string after that.
Oh, that's fucking the biggest one that I'm gonna bag there. Remember that big 12-pointer I shot with the muzzler that time? And everybody's like, don't shoot again, you don't want to shoot the rack. I'm not blaming you all, but man, I learned my lesson from that fucking shit, dude. Yeah, sorry y'all on YouTube, I was cussing, but you know what, I've never bagged one that big. I've shot a few that got away, but anyway, yep, good time, people.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I just said that fog rolling in my first deal with the coyotes.
Yeah. Did you these people on the camera here, did y'all hear me yelling across at my brother? He didn't even pay attention. He didn't even listen, nothing. They're just in like la la land right now with the rut. You know, this is opening day of gun season here in Illinois, and I'm using a crossbow. I'm using a crossbow because I can't use a gun right now, but I'll tell you about all that later. But yeah, yeah, he's by himself. Yeah, I'm ready to watch the footage here in a minute. Oh yeah, he stood there and he just kind of didn't even move at all. He run off of like 60 yards. Not even really run off. He jumped and he kind of run a little bit, and then he slowed down. He's just walking, and then he turned around, just stood there, and I could see his tail. He just flickered it like 2 times a little bit, and he fell over to the left. So yeah, that arrow's in the ground. I guarantee it. I heard it hit both him and the ground. Then I thought I missed. I'm like, well, he's so close. You know, you gotta aim low. I thought I missed, and then I was like, no, I couldn't have missed that close, man. I know to aim low on 20-yard pin. Yeah, he's like 12 yards or something probably. Yeah, that was amazing.
If they're moving, we can get down and go to him,
or you can get up and come over here and get up here where you get a better shot further away at lower light. Yeah. So all right, I'm gonna shut the camera off. See y'all. That was a great one there. I'll tell you, that was awesome.